Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Darren Bent will be one of the journalists for TalkSport, not really one of the journalists, one of the pundits for TalkSport. So Baba come and talk about the match where Arsenal played yesterday. So in fact, you can single out Kai Havertz. Come talk say this Kai Havertz we Arsenal. I say Kai Havertz never really justify why we spent £65 million on him. He just has one goal and maybe one assist thereabouts. So he never really do anything. Say why, how long we will take wait, and the truth is, I tend to subscribe to his line of thoughts. Everybody believe, everybody not just believe, everybody know. Say never justify the fee we will pay for a head. Just like Declan Rice not justify a £105 million. So it is not a secret. It's just something that is out there. So our owner, we don't buy him, so we don't buy him. We no feel can't go back to just where they pay us our money back. So we just hope, say justify that amount in the nearest future. If not, I know say Arteta's ruthlessness will touch him. So that is that about that. So we'll just watch about other players. But when you look at yesterday match, because when you check him, we lost against West Ham 3-1. Yes. And when we see the lineup, Arteta actually rested a lot of the big stars. He made some changes, and this is why people like Jamie Carragher actually predicted in the past, say this match, they see West Ham winning the match through penalties because they see Arteta resting players ahead of the match we will play against Newcastle. Because it's gonna be like say Arteta fancy that Newcastle match, they're more important to him than this cup, you get, because if you check Newcastle play against Manchester United rest players, Newcastle rest players, Newcastle knock Man U. Last time I check them at 3-0, I don't know what that one end. But Newcastle rested some players, their striker, what's they call him? Callum Wilson, the day bench, no start. Now Joel Linton, now starts. Like many of their players, I checked their lineup now, they rested everybody because of us. Now the likes of Liverpool, we no rest players. It is because Liverpool, I think they are playing Luton Town. And Luton Town a small team. That was why Liverpool feel afford to play a strong lineup. Because they know say Luton Town will be cheaper where Liverpool did. So that's why they can afford to rest players. But we will get a very, very big match ahead of us. So the thing is say with the power of hindsight, you could talk say Arteta make mistake. But when Arteta they make that decision, he no go know say they do mistake. That's the way it just is. So at the end of the day, we don't lose, so we don't lose. No, not gonna cry over spilled milk. Let's just look ahead, look forward, and see what's in what's up. We don't chop 3-1, so we don't chop 3-1. Alright, so many people can ask what's make Miss Mitro no play for the match yesterday. So now because he gets knee injury. So they don't already announce him after I don't put out a statement. So like it is official now. He get knee injury, so we don't know when he will recover. So when he recover, he will start how to come back to the team because this guy don't almost the entire first 11 and small done the play. So it is what it is. We wish him all the best of luck. That's what we can do for him. Alright, for the media setting, they can ask Arteta about an assessment of the game. So I can see the 3-1 will chop. So Arteta can talk saying they're very, very disappointed. Obviously, saying they're responsible for what happened. Say we are now out of the competition. That's one thing I like about Arteta. He takes accountability. So he's not saying if I go blame anybody, make him blame him. Now he choose the team we go play and he rest players. And when we call the chop 3-0, he can bring in the big dogs. He bring in Martinelli, Saka, Odega. Those guys didn't enter. In fact, at some point I was like, don't they really do that? But because I can't go injury, maybe just somebody test some kind of pressure you get, so then just be match fit. So Aaron Ramsdale, well, the goals being conceded. Mo no shall blame him, mo just leave him, mo just will say he no get a strong defense. We go protect him because look at what happened to Zinchenko. How can Kudus control? Look at that long ball where they give Kudus. How can Kudus control and come in favorite foot? Wipe him, he enter. How? Like how? No, this is what it is, Sha. Alright, Arteta also the talk say we put out a team that we felt was the best to compete. I mean the team why they talk say before the match, the team when select, go feel say this team go feel compete because and another thing wey people need to understand say now we also the talk say make them give other players a chance. Now they don't give them a chance. We can't complain say why we don't play the first team. Because one of our senior men enter my DM, call the tell me CHUKS say this thing no balance. So now Arsenal fans they complain say Arteta no dey give players chance, they give Nelson chance, they give Trossard. Okay, don't give Nelson chance now. They don't give Trossard chance. So how far? Jojo only for midfield. Fabi Vieira, they don't give a chance. They don't give a chance. So how far? So must we be playing Saka, Odegaard and Martinelli every day? So if they no dey, we no go fit succeed? That was the question. Many people they ask. Look at our backline. Is that backline he weak like that? Only Saliba and they miss now. Normal our first 11 no be Zinchenko, Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes and Saliba and Ramsdale. No go even analyze the lineup. No even analyze them. The backline we will use. Normal our first 11 no be Ramsdale, Ben White, Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes and Zinchenko. Only one person that they miss for that backline, only Saliba. They call it do like say I don't just understand. So that backline not too weak as we think. For midfield, Kai Havertz, Jorginho, Vieira, they not good enough. The attack, should be the top side. The Nketiah is good enough. The Nketiah, then Trossard will be normal. We know they put our first level. Then not the lineup. I said later when I call the sleep. Before I sleep, I call it think that lineup I put. Is it as weak as we thought it is? That lineup, not too weak like that. Because that's our back line. Normal now, almost our first 11. But only Saliba they miss there. So look at our midfield. Jorginho no be normal our first 11. Just because the Clara is not there, no they can. So that is just the way it is. Does this mean we will play Odegaard, Martinelli, Saka every match? We no go rest them. So these are some of the variables I'm throwing on the table for you guys to look at. So for those who they say the lineup 2 weeks, now let that call the think and say, is it really that weak? Alright, so the Daily Canon, God come and say Gabriel Jesus go they out till December. Sadly, get so before I say maybe another kind of 4 weeks, but this one kind of year December. For you to know, say we have a big problem. Now only indicator will get the Christmas, maybe New Year. So more just watch how it will fare. I wish him all the best of luck. I want him to succeed because if he succeed, now for our own benefit. Yeah, so I pray he succeeds, making him do more because if you don't know, make him know now. Say the critics waiting for him back, they plenty. He needs to prove many people. So I wish him all the best of luck. Alright, so Ateta call the comments. I call it say the first goal where West Ham score. Say if to say VAR they go rule them out. Because then they ask Ateta say that first goal how it takes here. Say Sheffield say that as the thing they hold Ramsdale. Say if VAR they go push kick they remove the ball for the goal. Back say yes. Say get that belief say if say VAR they will look at because as Ramsdale they explain to the referee could not understand what he's talking about because referee no gets the angle well because sometimes things happen in real time. Not be everything a referee will see for the field of play. That is why you need an extra set of eyes. Maybe the VAR. We go back in time, rewind, watch out, the get, go analyze them. But it is what it is. It don't happen, we say don't happen. We don't feel they cry over spills make. At the end of the day, I can say that first goal was not even an excuse for us to lose. Okay, don't concede one goal. How can't they play the rest? How many shots on goal now West Ham gets for that first half? So it is what but Thursday was just bad for us. Just the bad. Alright, Mikel Sylvester. Talk about psychology. Say Tomiyasu no dey better than Zinchenko. Say don't hear which many people they talk about Tomiyasu. Say Tomiyasu no dey better based on say yesterday Zinchenko collect a lot of criticism how he take mark kudos and the way he take play. People no really dey happy. In fact, some people believe say this season Zinchenko never bring the best. He never play the way they play last season. If now they inverted to a fullback role. Oh yeah, we know even they do them well the way they do them last season. Or is it that people don't already understand how they do that? So they want to mark us out. Is that the case? Because when you check, the people who learn them from Manchester City, they change from each other. They play 4-2-3-1 now. They don't get time for inverted kidney. So we now will see they do them. We need to bring out another dimension in case people come back us. So back on the when it comes to the attacking sense of things, Zinchenko is better because Arsenal is an offensive team. But at the same time, we need a balance between attacking and defending. That is where Tomiyasu comes in. When it comes to defensive side of things, Tomiyasu is superb. Because sometimes players they exploit that Zinchenko wing. If you run, come for the midfield, but it is what it is. Everybody get their own opinion. So Sylvester say Zinchenko is a better player than Tomiyasu. Well, I don't know whether I want to subscribe to that line of thought. For me, I think Zinchenko gets his own strength and weaknesses. Tomiyasu gets his own strength and weaknesses. So I know we just come holistically and come say Zinchenko is better because this season we know they see Zinchenko at all. Our Sky Sports come as I call it, let us know say Brentford don't value Ivan Toney £100 million. Say anybody won't buy him now with the amount they will pay, and the likes of Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur, and Arsenal now them go bid for this guy. At the same time, the Evening Standard come as I talk say Brentford they slap between 80 to 100 million. So I don't gonna know which one we go follow, but the Coco be say now between 80 to 100. In the past, we are saying at 61 million pounds, so we don't really know what is the right figure. Well, look at the Celtics is on full chat. Alright, so Bakary Sagna also don't come as a corrector say Arsenal can only win this league if William Saliba is fit. You get it. If you keep him fit all till the season end, then they stand a better chance, because if that guy not there for defense with the filler, you get. So at the same time, this time around, no being Saliba be the issue. We no get striker. Because last season we scored plenty goals. Last season we didn't score, and we played very well compared to this season. Maybe not because Grace not to get injury last season compared to now. This season they get injury up and down, they miss games. So this season, whether we like it or yes, Nketiah is our main striker. That's just the thing. But according to Saka, say if we keep Saliba fit, then everything will go well. And because of the prize when they slap for Ivan Toney head, that is why Arsenal they go find Benjamin Sesko. Yeah, so more just the watch last for January. We know who and who Arsenal they go for really. So we'll just see how it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.